that you lied about. Niama udi hun year campaign and these are all misrepresentations.
Abuza from Mamu na makwaba e de bagana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho. Maybe we from Mr. President Amajo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be we from Mr. President Amajo so. Ko yin na dream say that be ano e between the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that be na the be ameka asem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President.
The Jumana Odili or youth, no my youth, no to Abama or me buy make creative jobs. Me buy obi abe didi peche, and then no akwada neche, and I would chinko for. Akwada neche. The things that you lied about, Niama Udi hun year campaign, and these are all misrepresentations. Niama udi intro the year campaign. You see the unfairness, baby, a budget ne bua boy no. Say now to force in praising the economy is doing well. You don't come into and yes, the same thing Amokache my ebusa MPP for no. Time my MPP for glorify Omo said, 2019 economy na ye. My NDC for came to remind the MPP for say, the IMF now moko ye in 2015 no. Because you signed a 5-year deal with IMF and no one soon MPP for benefit no. And that year, most so economy now is still stable, no grower. Most say more than my MPP. MPP IMF no. Because we are not under IMF yet, and the IMF we know this year. This year and Sunday and the IMF conditionalities normally my 3 billion no. And they were managing and they are still managing the budget. Ne 2027 number when IMF will be no. Ah, obi abehun sa IMF oni obi em na mbeko.
Akokuma 72 million.
Have the chance to defend themselves. But who jelly gift your worry? Also so NDC ya motiway. National Service Secretariat for 60 Ghana cedis from school for no school for almost salary no endu national service for almost school almost you can do 8,000. Almost allowance in do 1,000 almost so omo titi omo bia 60 Ghana cedis adan ya see edikosi dan no omo na national service ni bia ka chem so omo pedan national service bi omo ka chem so omo pedan and aban a wo jailing ko for remember say in some meso na some crash so akra be expansion the mo ye no and some so akra expansion be koso because you cannot turn around and accuse somebody of corruption and the more NDC for you turn around and engage in the same thing. Yes, gift your warrior akwakote a ghost companies. And the ghost names egum. And the agenti allowance on behalf of the people. The oba and unkofone ohona. And I would deduct almost 60 Ghana per head. And look at the number of national service for all Ghana.
Yetuane taku sempoa. Obia kari koko bear bag do. Wakwani amane 5 million. Satam 31 million sunka 300 and something million. Aye, wakwa ni amane 5 million. No de abeto nchenedi. No asan fa fom ko. No akwaji 2 million. No de abeto yi kobi. Sa ya shisika no. Ghana ni sei na Ghana ni pe. Emma Ghana ni me se Ghana ni ho to no. Wonwene hwe. Na so ne ne bere nyina wode ma yese. Nsem hunu tie. Ene yese asa. Wonwene bibia biem. Na koko kurani akwaji ni sika otuko no kan ese yesika mu ensi dan ensi hwe eno ase da obema ne de atua ne ba fees no na akwaji abeto dem na da ho uwi a waka chensa wa hwe ne ba wonte ne ye wo kanase otom wonte ase first year student ya na esi ebetuo mo kai John Mahama ba otua sika wo ya yede Ghana ni enim sa nyansa no onuru ho enti eye waste of money ontua because oya Ghana ni nkan Ghana ni won kaya kamu ni opposition o kofo ba ye cancellation of basic school fees mampani kof enkwada na ye de omo dom ye adwuma din aburo ma ho odin so kofo na be stop we nyina ekosi sai ya yere no ma na kwa wo so fa ye kete kokwa ekosi sai free health insurance free maternal health care ekosi sai kokwa akuafo na kofo nwu omumfuo tukwa nyasi akomo omaduro wa fe nipa a ebegu afuo no so kwa yasa to abatu no Ghana ni adwene mienuru kwan na Ghana ni ya Americani na wa hihye da che de ama no gina ne konso bunukom mia no eno ano no wawie
edemano unya Kamila Al-Hassan ayi teacher ni yo se hwan ya woni akora bi de ba yi o de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ K unim se atintenhu ta woto na uhwiri treasure unim se atintenhu eta woto na uhwiri treasure onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ K onzo obi anka bi ma sa na wiase ne tie so obi asamba fa we afutuo obi asamba susuka na wonnim de da wanim obi asamba susuka na me me srema wo se ebi mu be defend no wo be defend DJ K sasai enim guase we ya wagu ne ho DJ K nya ni pa asem wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ K no minim de ntia me se me kasa wakama asem me wakama asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo me se baby awu no ankasa no baby isu no ko fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi enka no sade enka ese ye ka no ene wu nti Kamila Al-Hassan ocha krom ha chese DJ K na wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye unim nyanza se ne hwan wo krom a on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me a me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a on say ya na yemfiu ya na ho yesere ya na video ni ehwe ni say ya ene de ho na wo hye wo no ene wo na wo hye wo no me say Kamila Al-Hassan ba bi owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de be abonten endra me ye video ba akoma na no ne part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu ha DJ K misese wa we awe nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ K and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na ho kwa ene wiase no ensa emmeka wono yenkoka no ano a emmeka wono yenkoka no Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na okra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa nya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no anya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what a pad sanya wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Join down. See, we did be a can once. On my way, just say you name on my issue. I walk. For your shady, my papa, and not down who for Dr. Large Mahmoud Bomia, you get them out on my way. Any 2024 elections echo, and no man Dr. Bomia, and then a digital Ghana for some bar, way, a mayor mamona. Monsieur, Maki and Sem Patadi and Sakai. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be a leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi Enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impuye because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi say oh, I mean say we say people for Akromfo. Name Akromfo to sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals, na mo so mo ya Akromfo. Akromfo to facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya Akromfo. You say anya Ghana for dey. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho. 2020 Jua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel them go watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi, me na me go catch you Regr3t Mahama say all members come to Mutu one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say there bi. Digitalization and to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba, omo mamu kinki, amamu ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ya. And the Regr3t Mahama could not encanfo mu gafo catch up say, oh, gafo de oh, na mo de onye kinki na mu hia utilization bia. And I gafo say okay, you better ba na ma boom 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 boom. Mo to ba ma kinki government it me
Say dey ko ye kra de menu now to me who letter be a Y0u ye about Council of State member voter region. Now me say fiam hey Remona Chapa ya hype say where you can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.